Try to be nice. And I am coming at you with a video on how to replace your downspout, which is your house has gutters and then the gutters go down and then they come out at a certain point, and that's called your downspout. And usually there's something attached to that, otherwise it'll just be a big puddle right where your gutter drops. So this is my cat investigating what I'm doing. But this is my old downspout. And as you can see, it's old and it's dirty and there's certain spots where there's holes in it. Let's see if I can find one of those holes. Down here, it's got some holes in it. Like you can see that it's just cracked open and it doesn't really do its job very well. So it's a very, it's an easy fix, believe it or not. The hardest part is when you go to Lowe's, you need to go to the gutters and you need to find the downspouts, and they're there. And this one cost, I think, $8 to $10. It wasn't expensive. But the problem is they don't look, when you buy them at Lowe's, sorry, I just lost a nail. That is one of the, the dangers of this is my thumbnail. My whole thumbnail just popped off. See, it just broke off while I was taking the downspout off. It's not hard. It's just the hardest part is that when you go to Lowe's, what you're going to buy doesn't look like what you have. So let me show you. When you go to Lowe's, this is what you're going to buy. It's straight up. It's got the attachment. It's got that attachment at the end, and it's got this attachment at the end, which it doesn't really need. That one doesn't have it. So when I go, I'm at the Lowe's, and I'm like, well, what I'm looking for doesn't look like that. It looks more like a dryer vent. And the lady's like, oh, well, you need to go to dryer vents. And I'm like, no. I need a downspout. I just need one that looks like a dryer vent. And the lady had no idea what I was talking about. So this guy came and he was like, oh, I can help you. So this is the old one and then this is the new one. And now I'm going to show you, we're going to take this one outside. And it's actually, I had it on my downspout a couple days ago and it rained all day yesterday. So I didn't get a chance to shoot this video yesterday because it was raining. So what you do is you bring your downspout, it's not hard, you bring your downspout out to your gutter, and see, this is what I was talking about. Let me show you. On my house, all of my gutters, they come together, and then there's this long pipe that comes down to the bottom, and then it lets out here. Now, if you want to be ghetto, then don't put a downspout there, and you'll just end up with a big pile of water right there, and it'll over-moisturize your house, and it'll also risk damaging the foundation of your home, which if you rent, you really don't care about damaging the foundation of someone else's home, but since we own our home, I care. So that's why this is a job that you do. It's not a job that's necessary, but it's one of those things that you just do to upkeep your home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place you right here and hope and pray that you can see me. And then what you do is you take your downspout, and it's kind of like an accordion. You just want to pull it apart, and see, each one comes apart, and it's not easy to pull this thing apart. It's not as easy as you would think, and that's how I broke my nail. I was trying to pull this stupid thing apart just a minute ago. So now that it's pulled apart, you take this end, this big end here, and all you want to do is marry this end to this. So bring this here, just like this. Oh, sorry, wrong end. You bring this end and you attach it. Now, you may not have this piece on your gutter. You may just have this piece, and that's fine. You can pay an extra 90 cents to get this piece if you want, or you can just attach this directly to this. I already have this piece, so I'm going to use it. And then all you do is marry this piece to this piece, just like that. Bend this however you want it, and there you go, just like that. That wasn't hard, now was it? Oh, come here. Now, as you can see, my downspout's already been working because this is water. It's actually ice. It's frozen ice. So it's working. It's doing exactly what it should do, and there you go. Quick and easy tutorial on how to change your downspout. It's not very hard. It's inexpensive. It cost me like $10. And it'll save you money in the long run. So there you go. Have a good day. Bye.